Alright, welcome back to the 9th video of this series on CSS Grid. So this one is going to be a small aside because it's not going to be strictly speaking about CSS Grid, but I will show you how to do responsive design using media queries. So let's go back to the code, and here we are going to change the color of that header element that we have here on the two first cells. Based on the width of the viewport. So in order to do that, we are going to add a media query. So let's say do something if it is projected on the screen and the minimum width is 768 pixels, for instance. And this, what's inside of that block is going to be only executed if those conditions are met. So if it is on a screen and the minimum width of the viewport is 700. Okay, so here we go, and we are going to change it from yellow to blue, for instance. And you can see it did nothing on this element, on the header element, but if we enlarge the viewport, it now turns blue. And this happened at 678 pixel. So we are going to use that technique known as media queries in our design to actually change the grid template that we have here based on the width of the viewport, and display different grids if you're on mobile, desktop, or tablets, or large desktop, for instance. So I hope to see you in the next video where we are actually going to implement grid in a responsive design. Cheers!